Hi, welcome to the CarsRumor Channel. This time we will discuss the new 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid. While not spectacular, the Toyota Camry Hybrid is famous for its cost, space, and economy. The 2025 family car has a new appearance and reduces its powertrain lineup from a V6 and hybrid and non-hybrid 4 cylinders to 2 hybrids. The hybrid-only Camry uses 232 horsepower and comes in front or all-wheel drive. Toyota hasn't announced one, but a more powerful plug-in hybrid Camry Prime may appear. Despite its updated infotainment system and crown sedan-inspired appearance, the Camry Hybrid remains a mid-size car, competing with the Honda Accord and Hyundai Sonata. The 2025 Camry enters its 9th generation with new looks, a remodeled cabin, and purely hybrid powertrains. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2025 Camry Hybrid has 2 hybrid powertrains, one for the front wheels and one for all 4. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors produce 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive vehicles, while all-wheel drive models add a 3rd motor to drive the back axle and produce 232 horsepower. A CVT is standard on both installations. Both installations feature powertrains similar to the Toyota Prius, but with a 2.5-liter gas engine instead of a 2.0-liter 4. In our first test drive, the electric motor's significant torque made the hybrid arrangement snappy around town. Unfortunately, the 2025 Camry will be slower than the V6 variant will miss. We'll test the new Camry on our track and update this report when possible. Interior, cargo, and comfort. The Camry Hybrid's large cabin gives people plenty of room in the front and back seats. The dashboard has a huge trim piece from the passenger side to the infotainment display. Dual-zone automatic climate control, rear air vents, and cloth upholstery are standard. The XLE and XSE have leather upholstery, heated seats, a heated steering wheel, ambient lighting, acoustic laminated glass, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and adjustable rear seat headrests. The SE has a 12.3-inch infotainment display as an option, and the XLE and XSE have it as standard. Both screens use Toyota's latest software interface, which is easy and fast. All versions have digitized gauge displays, but only the top 2 trims have 12.3-inch fully digital ones. All levels have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Only the XLE and XSE models can upgrade to a 9-speaker JBL stereo. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Camry costs $29,495 to $35,695 based on trim and options. The new hybrid-only selection raises Camry's starting price, but the base LE is less than the previous generation hybrid. Due to its smaller wheels, the LE offers the best fuel economy estimates of Toyota's 4 launch models, but we'd pick the SE. It boasts a firmer suspension and more standard features, but many of the best add-ons, like the larger touchscreen and more robust all-wheel drive powertrain, are optional.